Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, I will just be harvesting some of these Scotch bonnet peppers. Some red ornamental peppers, and I think I have some peppers on the other side that need to be harvested. Pretty much cleaning out beds and putting some new seeds down. This is a pepper that I got from Pixie Ann. You guys saw me clean out this bed. This was the bed that had the sweet potatoes in it. Tomatoes still going strong. These are the yellow pear tomatoes. Still got some kibosh squash back there. Matter of fact, I have one on the vine right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Another one right there. Been enjoying those. Got a few pomegranate cuttings at the bottom. Got some okra growing. And then another bed that I cleaned out. I have some cabbage and some mustard greens going in here. I got my cabbage from J3 GS Farms and Queenie's Garden. Have these ornamental peppers. I've already picked all the red ones off. These are some really delicious peppers. I'm gonna try to make a chili oil with it. Lemon tree full of lemons, green lemons. As Erica, my fly family from my fly family would say, limes. Send me some limes. Got some other ornamental peppers. They're a little bit bigger than the other ones that I just showed you. These are very delicious also. Got some green dragon fruits. They're not ready yet, but these are the yellow Isis. Got some more green ones here. These aren't ready yet also. Got a monster in the back. Got some other green ones here. These are not ready, but dragon fruits everywhere. This is the only trellis that didn't produce anything for me this year. This was also the last trellis that fell over. So it might be traumatized, still in shock from being repotted. This is cinnamon that I sprinkled on top after I cleaned up all the what happened, sunburn. So I cleaned it all off and I put some cinnamon on it to help it heal. So it's healing up pretty nice. So that's that trellis right there. I was expecting a lot from this, but nothing this year. So hopefully next season I'll get something out of this. Pomegranate tree. Some roses that I have to come and pick. Put them in a vase. Beautiful roses. I'll definitely come and get those today. Got the tangerine tree. Everything is green. Lots of tangerines on the tree. Avocado tree. There's a few avocados hanging around still. I'm not gonna go deep into that. I've already started cutting back this Vietnam white. Got some green fruits on it. Everything is just waiting to transition. These spider webs right here, massive spider webs. This is what I have to deal with at night when I come and pollinate. Something has been attacking my pepper trees on this side. I came out here with the flashlight, the black light flashlight, to see if I could figure out what is attacking it. But it definitely needs some nutrients. I see that from the yellowing of the leaves. Still got some peppers though in And then last night, I came out and pollinated these dragon fruits right here. I don't know about these guys. I don't know if they're gonna make it, but I did pollinate them. More flowers that were pollinated. I don't know if you can see that, but this is what I have to deal with at night when I come out here to pollinate. So I try to get in and get out. I try to do everything before the sun falls. I hope they catch as many as mosquitoes as they can eat. That's the only reason why I'm not blowing these cobwebs away. I got some sweet potatoes in the back. I have to pull those up. So that's gonna be a project for another day. So yeah, that's what's going on right now in the garden. Bees are buzzing. I know you probably can't see it, but yeah, it's really foggy today. So let me harvest up these peppers. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. Juice them with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.